Good day, everyone. So welcome again to our math classroom with your teacher Dan. For today's video, we're going to study circumference of a circle. So circumference of a circle is the total distance around a circle. So to find the circumference, we're going to use the formula circumference, or C, is equal to pi times diameter. So a diameter is equivalent to the two radius, okay? So we can also say that circumference is 2 radius times the pi. So we can use the top formula, which is the same, okay? So let's begin with our first example, which is 3 inches is our radius. So our radius here is 3 inches. So we can use the formula C is equal to 2r times pi. So pi is equal to the rounded equivalent of pi is equal to 3.14. Okay. So we substitute the given to the formula, which the formula is equal to circumference is 2r, or radius, times your pi. So 2, and our radius here is 3, so we're going to put 3 times your pi. So the equivalent of pi is 3.14. So we multiply 2 times 3, we get 6 times 3.14. So we can multiply that vertically. So we can multiply 3.14 times 6. So we have 6 times 4, we get 24, carry 2. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 2, we get 8. And 6 times 3, it is 18. After that, we count the number of decimal places in our factor. We get 2 decimal places, so therefore we're going to move 2 places in our product. So our final answer now, circumference of the circle is 18 and 8400 inches. So that is the circumference of our first example. Let's proceed to the second example. So our circle has a radius of 2, okay, 2 meters, okay. So we can also use the formula circumference is equal to pi times diameter. For example, our given here is the radius is 2 meter. We can double it because a diameter is twice of your radius. So multiplying 2 to our radius, which is 2, you get 4. So our diameter here is equal to 4. So using the formula circumference is equal to pi times diameter. So our equivalent of pi is 3.14. Multiplying it to our diameter, which is 4, okay. And then we can write that vertically. So 3.14 times 4. Okay, and then multiplying now, 4 times 4, you get 16, carry 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1, you get 5. And 4 times 3, it is 12. And then counting again the decimal places in our factor, we have 2 decimal places. Therefore, we're going to move 2 decimal places in our product. So our circumference here is 12 and 56 meters. Okay. So that is for question number 2. Let's proceed to the final example. So we have here 5 is our diameter. So our given here, our diameter is equal to 5 centimeter. So we can apply the formula circumference is equal to 5 times diameter. So substituting the value of pi, which is 3.14, multiplying that to our diameter, which is 5. Okay, so we can write that vertically, 3.14 times 5. You have 5 times 4, you get 20. Every 2, 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2, that is 7. And 5 times 3, it is 15. Counting again the number of decimal places, which is 2. So we're going to move 2 places in our product. Okay, so our final answer here for question number 3, circumference is equal to 15 and 7/10. So we're not going to put the 0 anymore. So we put the unit, which is centimeter. So that is our final answer. That is how we find the circumference applying the formula circumference is equal to pi times diameter, or you can also use circumference is equal to 2 times r times pi. Thank you for listening and